What if a robot hand got tired of waiting for the arm and just crawled off by itself? Basically, the hand looked at the arm and said, "You're too slow, I'll do it myself." Most robot hands have one big weakness. They can grab, but they're stuck at the end of an arm. So if something falls just out of reach, the whole robot has to move. Human hands have a different problem. We rely a lot on one thumb, which is great for many tasks, but awkward for more symmetric jobs, like holding objects on both sides at once. This paper asks a very weird and very smart question. What if the best robot hand didn't copy a human hand at all? The researchers built a detachable robotic hand with a symmetric layout, reversible fingers, and a wrist that can disconnect. So when it needs to, it stops being just a hand and becomes a little crawling robot. They gave every finger the same design, let the fingers bend both directions, and used software to figure out the best layouts for both grabbing and crawling. Any two fingers can work like an opposing pair, kind of like making multiple thumb and finger combos instead of depending on one thumb. Then they tested grasping, crawling, detaching from the arm, picking up objects, and reconnecting again. And the results are kind of ridiculous. The hand could do all 33 standard grasp types they tested, hold up to 4 objects at once, carry heavy objects with a full hand grip, crawl to objects beyond the arm's reach, bring them back, and dock with the arm again. It could even recover after being flipped over, because the fingers work from both sides. That's the real shift here. This isn't just a better gripper, it's a hand that can turn into its own delivery robot. What I like about this paper is that it doesn't assume more human-like automatically means better. In this case, making the hand stranger actually made it more useful. For warehouses, search and rescue, or cramped spaces where normal robot arms struggle, this idea feels genuinely practical. So here's the question. What's more useful for the future of robotics? A smarter arm, or a hand that can leave the arm entirely?